It's Friday again, which means I am back answering your questions. So one question I got asked last week that I thought was a really good one that I wanted to speak on was how to sleep in a way that doesn't affect your neck or cause neck pain. So one thing, sleep training is really hard, so just bear with yourself. You'll probably try to change your position and then you'll end up in the same position that you usually like to sleep in, and it just takes time. So stick with it, and eventually that new position will become something that your body's used to, a new normal. So just a little side note there. Couple things. Sleeping on your stomach is going to be really, really hard on your neck, right? If you think about it, your bed is flat, your pillows are there, so you're going to have to turn your head to the side and sleep in this kinked position for a period of time. So even if you switch sides, your neck is still going to end up being kinked. So ideally we would want you to not sleep on your stomach. Side sleeping and back sleeping, really totally fine, especially for the neck. Either one that you want to do, it's just about making sure that you have support. So how you know if you're in a good position for sleeping is making sure that your spine is neutral, meaning that everything's in a nice straight line, nothing's super rotated, nothing's super flexed or extended or twisted, right? We just want to sleep kind of neutrally. So if you're on your back, oftentimes if you don't have a good enough supported pillow, you'll end up with your head super extended, and then that doesn't feel really good. Think about if you slept in a car, mouth open, sometimes your neck doesn't feel very good from that. So having a little bit of a thicker pillow when you're sleeping on your back, or one of those pillows that has a curve in it so that it supports your neck and you're not too extended, that's going to be the best way to make sure that you maintain a neutral spine if you're a back sleeper. And if you're a side sleeper, you're gonna get one of those medium-sized pillows, which doesn't mean a whole lot. So it's one of those things that you kind of have to try for yourself and make sure it's the right height for you, but in such a way so that your head, again, isn't folded down towards the bed, or that your pillows are too tall and it's folded in the opposite way, right? We wanna sleep in neutral and have a good amount of support. So honestly, some of those pillows that have the little hump in them can also be really supportive if you're a side sleeper. So it's all about just playing around, making sure you have the best pillow for you. And then if you're a stomach sleeper, maybe trying to break that habit and trying to find a more comfortable position, or an eventually comfortable position on your back or on your side.